Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Honorato, Assistant Professor of Biology at LaGuardia Community College, City University of New York, and an American Society for Cell Biology Minorities Affairs Committee Linkage Fellow. It is my pleasure to present to you this digital story of the 47th Annual ASCB meeting, and to show you a side of science that is not readily seen, but yet underlies the words on the pages of your biology textbooks.
I didn't really feel anything at first, but as we got closer, I did start to feel excited. It was my first time in DC. Being able to see all the great monuments that are consistently shown in movies was a real treat.
I was really excited to see DC. I felt glad to finally be there. It was a long trip. I really liked the hotel. It was clean, looked real nice, the food was superb,
And breakfast was awesome. When I first looked at the convention center, I was amazed on how large it was. I was even more impressed with when I entered the center. The grand stairs straight ahead and the enormity of the place was awe-inspiring. Having not attended a meeting of this sort, I expected it to be very professional.
I thought the meeting was huge. It wasn't exactly what I expected. I expected the meeting to be less varied. I never imagined such diversity.
I was just mesmerized by how many people were doing research.
I liked being able to talk to the presenters and chat about their projects.
I was very impressed by the scientists. I was just excited even more that there are more people like me that want to devote their lives to science. Even though most of the poster presentations was above my knowledge, it was still a blast to hear how scientists explain their research and also how they try to help you understand.
The Mac booth was beneficial and a great place to rest. While waiting for the presentations to begin, we could chat with other undergraduates and professors.
Being able to talk to scientists and students was great because it gave me hope that I can succeed in biology if I keep working hard. The Mac poster competition was pretty cool
and allowed me to talk with other undergraduates doing research. The presenters there were very friendly.
I was impressed that some of the presenters were only either in their first or second year of college.
Meeting the other undergrad students was fun. It was good to talk to them because some of them had shared similar interests to mine. I also like talking to students outside of New York, such as the group from Puerto Rico, to learn about their college experience outside the U.S. mainland. The Mac Award Lunch was what I expected it to be, an awards lunch. It was pretty entertaining. I really enjoyed meeting the professors individually much better, though, like Deborah Harmon Hines from University of Massachusetts, Worcester. During that time, I got to chat about what I really wanted to do and got to listen to them about their work and about academics. They gave me really good advice about academics and research, which I will put to good use.
Seeing all the professors and the many colleges and universities being represented in one place, I thought, was amazing. My favorite experience was when I was able to meet the president of ASCB, Bruce Alberts. He signed my textbook and took a picture with me. I also enjoyed meeting Robert Goldman, the president-elect for 2008.
I enjoyed talking to top scientists like David Burgess from Boston College.
It was an honor to have the executive director of ASCB, Joan Goldberg, talk with us at the MAC luncheon. Her interest in our project and undergraduate education was inspiring. Kwesi was a great role model. Seeing him explain his poster was very informative and gave me a little glimpse of how to act and behave in a poster presentation.
I learned a lot about presentations and the science field in general from Kwesi. Kwesi was finishing up at Kingsborough Community College and getting ready to attend Northeastern University to study biology. He explained a lot of things about the field and transferring to four-year colleges to me, which helped guide my career choices.
Out of the many events I participated in, the news press conference was one of the best. I was able to hear of the leading scientists in their field right now talking about their research. I was even more excited because I was able to understand a lot of what they were saying due to the fact that I was taking cell biology at the time.
The news press conference was very interesting. They talked about some very interesting research. One of these was the medicinal aerosol. I couldn't comprehend a lot of what they were talking about because I hadn't delved deep into biology yet, but Pedro, Alan, and Quasi explained some of it to me. I feel too few students know about the opportunities available to them. I think opportunities like these should be widely displayed so that these programs can recruit the best of the best and not let intelligent, dedicated students slip through the cracks because they are unaware of what is available to them and cannot afford an expensive private higher education.
I think it is great because, being a minority student, I learned that we need help and guidance if we are ever going to succeed in this field. This meeting has opened my eyes and showed me that with hard work I can accomplish my dream of being a researcher.
I would love to do a summer research internship or study abroad. I would like to present next year. It seemed like a great experience and opportunity for the presenters. I definitely would go to the meeting again.
Even if I don't present a poster, it would be a real treat to just go again and see the great advancements in biology. I would, without a doubt, fully recommend any student that is interested in a career in the sciences to go to this meeting.
I strongly urge other students to go to the meeting next year.
After the ASCB meeting, I performed research at LaGuardia with Dr. Honorado and attended the 16th Annual Collegiate Science and Technology Entry Program Conference, where I won second place for my poster presentation on the elucidation of the oxidative stress response in Drosophila melanogaster adult males.